G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sour cream and chives potato chips. These are unreal awesome. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now get some sour cream, a couple of tablespoons worth, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chives. I've just grabbed some from my garden so they're nice and fresh, and just mix them together. Get a plate, just get sour cream and chives mixture and spread it all over the plate. Now get a potato. Now you can peel the potato or you can just leave it on and peel it that way. I like to leave it on, and that's all you have to do is peel it like that. Peel as much as you want. Now get the pieces you've cut up, place them like that. It's essentially like we're just marinating these in that, and then you put a little layer on top. Now just leave it here for as long as you want. Usually 30 minutes to an hour is long enough for the flavour to seep in and just be awesome. Alright, now that that's been sitting there, you can either leave this like that and put this straight in the microwave, turn the microwave on for 90 seconds on high, then flip them all over, put it back in for another 90 seconds on high, or you can take all of these off on a fresh plate and just give the plate a light spray with oil, and just do that for the same time, 90 seconds each side on high. Alrighty then, now leave these here for about 3 to 5 minutes to cool, and they will crisp up, and then eat and make as many batches as you want. Well, I hope you like these. Maybe I'll try this one. Oh, so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.